Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video we are going to be making very yummy and soft and delicious yogurt snacks that are also perfect for breakfast. Let's get to today's video. I'm going to start the video by mixing my dry ingredients. I used 1 kg or 1 kilogram of self-rising flour. So to make self-rising flour, if you don't have it, just add 8 cups, which equals 1 kg, to your mixing bowl, and 8 tablespoons of baking powder. Mix them well, and then you're going to get your self-rising flour. So to my flour, I added 8 tablespoons of sugar, and I also added 1 tablespoon of salt. I mixed my dry ingredients together well, and then I added my 500 ml of my vanilla yogurt. So you guys, you have to use vanilla yogurt. If you use vanilla yogurt, this recipe is going to be perfect. I also added some fresh chopped coriander. You can use ground coriander, but I think I'd recommend you use fresh coriander. It will give this recipe a very good aroma and taste. So after that, I'm just going to add my water bit by bit and knead my dough well, making sure there are no lumps on it. So you can double the recipe or you can reduce the recipe. It's up to you as you wish. And for the coriander, it's not optional. So after kneading my dough well, I'm going to cover my dough well, and then I'm going to leave it overnight. So if you're in a hurry, just let your dough rest for at least 2 or 1 hour. So as you can see, the next day, here I am. I'm going to uncover my dough. I'm going to knead it for a few minutes to mix it well, and then I'm going to rub some oil to my board. I'm going to first divide my dough into 4 equal parts. I'm going to rub some oil on my board, that chopping board that you can see right now, and then I'm going to lay the first piece of my dough to my board. I'm going to use my rolling pin to flatten it, and then I'm going to cut my dough into those cute thin rectangles as you've seen right there. So you can make any shape that you like, but for me, rectangle worked really perfect for this recipe. I'm going to lay my dough, flatten it as I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to cut it as you've seen in the video. You have to use warm water when kneading your dough, and after you finish perfectly kneading your dough, you're going to rub some oil to your dough before covering it. So like I've said, for the coriander, you can add it if you wish, but I'd recommend you add fresh coriander. It's going to give this particular recipe a really good taste, you guys. I love this recipe, so I decided to share it with you. You guys, you can like my video, you can share it, you can comment. It really means a lot to me. So I'm going to repeat the process. As you can see, I'm going to rub some oil to those trays, the 2 trays that I always use, and then I'm going to lay the dough that I've cut to them, and as you can see, they're looking really good, you guys. Moving on, I'm going to preheat my oil until it's medium hot, and then all I'm going to do is to dip the dough that we cut, our raw snacks, and then when they rise above the oil, I used a pan for this particular recipe. When they rise above the oil, I'm going to turn the other side as shown in the video, and then all I'm going to do is to just fry both sides until they are golden brown. So when you're frying these yogurt snacks, all you're going to do is to just turn them several times, and you have to watch your heat. You don't need to fry them until they're really golden brown. You just have to fry them until they're a little golden brown, so that your coriander, the fresh coriander that you added, doesn't burn. If the coriander burns, they are going to look really bad, you guys. So you have to do like I've said, just take your time and fry these snacks really well. And like I've said, you can double the recipe. You can use 4 cups, you can use 2 cups, you can reduce the yogurt amount and all that. So it's up to you, but you have to use vanilla yogurt for this particular recipe. It's so perfect and delicious, you guys. Or you can use plain yogurt and add some vanilla essence. It will still work perfect. So as you can see, I'm just going to be turning my snacks several times to get that beautiful golden brown color that you want, and then I'm going to remove them from the oil as shown in the video. So I'll leave it to watch me for a little while so you can see me fry the next batch, and I'll be right back. So you guys, I'm back, and like I said, I'm now working with the last batch of our recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, for more simple recipes for any ordinary person that you can afford. Like my video, share it, and comment on it. It means a lot to me when you do that. So I'm going to be working on the last batch of our recipe. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. See you in my next video. Bye.